Agents, want to be able to gauge if your clients are mortgage ready or not? Well, watch and save this video where I will go over 5 mortgage readiness questions. Let's go. Okay, disclaimer. I in no way want you out here pre-qualifying clients. Okay, that's my job. However, say you're at an open house, right? And a client walks in and they're showing like great interest in the property, right? They're like, I want to put in an offer on this. And you're like, are you pre-qualified? Are you mortgage ready? So these questions will kind of help you to gauge that, okay? Question number 1, what do you do for a living? Now this is just an icebreaker for question number 2, which is how long have you been in your current field, okay? We want 2 or more years is the ideal answer to this question. Anything less than that may require additional documentation. And question number 3, how much do you have saved for down payment and closing costs? If the answer is no to this question, I want you to stop. Even with like down payment assistance and seller's credits, there's still upfront costs when buying a home, right? You have your inspections, you have your appraisal, you have your earnest money deposit. So it's impossible to buy a house with absolutely nothing saved. So if they say no, they have nothing saved to this question, you're going to politely guide them on what they're gonna do to get mortgage ready for this portion of it. And if they answer yes to number 3, you're gonna move on to number 4, which is how much do you have saved for down payment and closing costs? The ideal answer to this is at least 3% of the purchase price of like kind of where they're looking to buy, because that should be enough to cover what you need. Down payment assistance program, sales credits can probably help to bridge the gap, blah, 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 but 3% is a good number for this answer. And question number 5, are all of your credit accounts reporting current or on time on your credit report? This question serves as like a dual purpose, right? Because number 1, you're finding out if they actually have credit. And number 2, you're trying to kind of figure out how they manage their credit, right? You'll be able to tell by the way they answer this. All right, so there you have it. 5 questions to add to your tool belt while you're out in the field. These questions are ordered in a way to kind of mimic the natural flow of a conversation, but feel free to tweak it, personalize it, make it your own, and really just have them in the back of your mind, because as you're going through conversations with your clients, some of these questions might get answered just in regular conversation, right? So it's good to know these, and I hope that you found this to be valuable. It's your girl, Joelle Bell, your mortgage loan specialist, here to help you close on your very next deal. Have a great day.